To provide you with the best-looking temporaries while your final porcelain restorations are being made, your dentist may prescribe BioTemps. In addition to their natural look, the strength of BioTemps provides you with the confidence to talk, smile, and eat as though they were your natural teeth.
After having carefully considered a treatment plan for the restoration of your teeth, your dentist has asked me to speak with you regarding BioTemps temporary restorations. You see, during the treatment period and prior to your final restoration, you'll be wearing provisional or temporary restorations. You probably have never heard or thought much about temporary restorations. Yet your dentist is among a top group of dental professionals who are keenly aware of the critical role that your temporaries play in the long-term success of your restored teeth. Issues like proper color, shape, even the position and length of your final restoration can be guided with your temporary teeth. Because your temporaries are really the foundation of your final teeth, your dentist offers BioTemps temporary restorations. Let's take a closer look at why BioTemps are of special benefit to you. First of all, your smile will look great with BioTemps. They are so natural looking that they are virtually undetectable from beautiful, healthy teeth. If your teeth are currently discolored, chipped, or worn down, you need not be embarrassed any longer by the look of your smile. Also, you should not fear the typical chalky, dead look of conventional temporary crowns. From the moment your dentist places your custom-made BioTemps, you will be delighted with their natural beauty. This means that you need not postpone the starting of your dentist's recommended treatment plan for fear that your smile will be unappealing. Because in reality, BioTemps often improve the look of your smile. You'll feel confident proceeding with your prescribed restorative treatment, knowing that when you leave your dentist's office, your smile is going to look beautifully natural. You see, investing in the restoration of your teeth can be one of the most rewarding decisions you'll make in your lifetime. Not only will you feel better, you'll look better. And unlike other purchases, you'll wear your beautiful new smile 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. But in addition to beautiful looks, there's even more to the BioTemps story. BioTemps feel good. They are not rough and porous feeling like conventional temporaries. Part of the reason that BioTemps feel like natural teeth to your tongue is because they are extremely well polished and sealed with a special light activated surface glaze. This special surface treatment makes BioTemps resistant to staining from coffee, tea, and other foods, which can be very important if your treatment program requires you to wear them for a long time. The other reason that BioTemps look and feel better than conventional acrylic temporaries results from a material processing difference. You see, BioTemps are predominantly high pressure and heat molded temporaries, which makes for a denser and tougher material. With a subtle blending of natural tooth colors, they more closely imitate real teeth than all other types of temporaries. You'll also be glad to know the ultra-smooth surface of BioTemps is even kind to your gum tissue. Plaque has a much harder time adhering to this ultra-smooth surface than it does on the rough surface of typical temporaries. As you probably know, plaque is the major cause of gum irritation and gum disease, some things you definitely want to avoid. A smoother surface is also much easier to clean than a rough and pitted one. You'll find that BioTemps will help keep your gum tissue healthy when coupled with your prescribed dental hygiene program. It's really quite simple. The healthier the gum tissue, the greater the odds are for a full restorative success.
A lot of our patients are concerned about the 2-week time period that they're going to spend with the BioTemp provisional restorations in place. How did you do during those 2 weeks while you had them on?
It was perfectly fine. In fact, I received compliments when I had the temporaries on. I was very, very pleased.
You didn't want to come back. You thought we were done after you had that. Thought it was going to be one appointment and all finished.
Absolutely, yes.
Well, good. We're glad to hear that's the same kind of success story that we hear again and again. What we actually did was the BioTemp provisional restorations looked so good in your mouth that we took an impression of that and sent that to the laboratory, had them duplicate that. So those same results that you enjoyed in the BioTemps, we were able to duplicate in the BioPress, and I think that's one of the reasons why you've been so happy with your smile.
They looked absolutely wonderful. In fact, I received many compliments during that process, and they felt very secure. There was no pain. it's just been a very, very smooth transition.
Well, congratulations. You made a great decision, and I'm happy to hear that you're getting compliments from your friends and family. That's wonderful.
Thank you very much, Doctor. I'm very, very pleased.
Good.
Overall, it was a very pleasant experience. I had a lot of dental work that needed to be done, and the temporaries that were put in made me feel very comfortable, and it kind of gave me an insight of what my teeth would look like, so it was very exciting.
It's been 2 weeks since we placed Robin's BioTemp restorations, and before we take a look intraorally to see how they're doing and how the tissue responded, let's ask Robin how she did. You've had your temporaries on for a couple of weeks. How did you do with them on?
Great. They were very comfortable. I didn't have any problems at all.
You were able to chew pretty much everything that you wanted to chew? Mm-hmm. Okay. You didn't notice any kind of loosening or odor or anything from it over that 2-week period? Well, that's good. We like to be able to place a highly aesthetic provisional restoration like that, give you a chance to kind of test drive it and see how it looks. And we took an impression last time. We've used that to design our final restorations. But before we try those in, we're going to take a closer look and see how your gum tissue did to having those in for these 2 weeks. We're here today at the cementation appointment. Cheryl has had her BioTemps in for about 2 weeks now. Cheryl, how did you do with your BioTemps?
I did great with my BioTemps. I could eat anything I wanted to eat, and everybody noticed something different. They were just, "Why are you so smiley this week?" And didn't tell anybody. They did great.
Good. So you've been smiling the whole time and had a chance to look at them, and you like how they look?
I love how they look.
Well, good, because we've got a technology now that allows us to duplicate the shape and the shade and the contour of those in your permanent restorations that we'll be putting in today. So let's go ahead and take a closer look and see how Cheryl's gums look after 2 weeks with the BioTemps in place.
Let's take a brief look at the detailed handcrafting that is required in producing your BioTemps. Before we end this program, let's quickly review what BioTemps can do for you. First, they make you look good by looking just like healthy, natural teeth. They provide you with the confidence to immediately begin your dentist-prescribed treatment plan. Remember that investing in the restoration of your teeth is one of the most rewarding decisions you'll ever make. Second, BioTemps feel extremely smooth and natural due to their ultra-smooth surface. You'll have no discomfort wearing them. Third, they are kind to your gum tissue, and their surface is both stain and plaque resistant. You'll find them much easier to clean than rough, conventional temporaries. And finally, BioTemps will last through the treatment program, helping to maintain your appearance and oral health until your final restoration has been meticulously crafted and delivered. As we mentioned at the beginning of this program, your dentist is among a select group of dental professionals who offer this advanced solution for temporary dental restorations. Your dentist can answer any questions you might have and also give you this BioTemps information brochure. While they cost a little more than conventional temporaries, you'll find them unquestionably worth it. Ask your dentist if BioTemps